And here I'll show you how to download Spotify songs in your device. If you're using Spotify premium version, then all you have to need to download any song, just open the song and tap on this three dot, and here you find this download option. So as you can see, this download button is only available for Spotify premium user. So by tapping on download, you will be able to download a Spotify song, and then you can watch or listen the downloaded song in offline. And now if you're a free user and you want to download a song from Spotify, let's see how to do it. All you have to need, tap on this three dot, tap on share, and copy the song link. Now go to our browser and search for Spotify song download. Just search for it, and here you will find lots of websites. You can go ahead and use any of them to download Spotify song. In my case, I'm selecting this website, spotifydown.com. In this website, in this box, paste your Spotify song link and tap on download. And now here we can see the song is showing. The song name is Selfish and the singer name is Atif Aslam. Let's go to our Spotify, and as you can see, the song name is Selfish and Atif Aslam. So this is the exact song. Now all you have to need, tap on download, and it may take some moments to download the song. So tap on download mp3, and that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully downloaded the Spotify song in my device. Now to see your downloaded song, go to your Files app, go to Downloads, and here you will find the song that you just downloaded. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.